families and friends and everyone that listening, I'm asking for your heart today, because right now in Jamaica, people are suffering more than ways that we can't even imagine. Homes have been destroyed, roofs torn off, people flood out, wall collapse, families sleeping under tarpaulin, just under the open sky. Children go to bed wet, cold, scared, people sleeping in their car. But as I listen and I watch the videos, and as I heard the voices of people crying out for help, I knew that I could not ignore it, because God has placed that mission in my heart, and I believe we can make a real difference together. So we're raising £20,000 to help to rebuild homes in Jamaica, life in Jamaica, real family, real lives, real people who have lost everything and need help. So every penny that raised will go directly to the rebuilding of the roofs, repair walls, flooring, essential home materials, etc., and restore dignity and hope to the people who need it most. People like the pensioners, single mothers, people with disability. But let me say this clear. We're keeping everything 100% transparent. Every donation, every expense, every purchase, all will be recorded. Photos, videos, receipts, because trust matter. So we will be selected 1, 2, or 3 families. So people who are in grievous and who really need help, to help them to rebuild, keep them sheltered. So with God's guidance and with your support, the QR code you see on the screen will take you directly to the Just Giving page. Please, give what you can. Even £5 change something. Whatever you have. And if you're still not able to do it right now, please at least share it with 10 of people in your contacts. Post it on your WhatsApp, post it on your Instagram, your Facebook, your TikTok, and help us raise this money. Jamaica, get it straight. Jamaica is strong. They're resilient. But right now, Jamaica needs us. Let us rebuild homes. Let us rebuild hope. Let us rebuild Jamaica together. Thank you so much. And may God bless you abundantly. Until we meet again. God bless you. Goodbye.